We just finished what homeschoolers call second breakfast. You might call it brunch.
Changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life. And as you can see by the state of my kitchen, I've got some cleaning to do. If you've been following our channel, you might know that I've been doing intermittent fasting. So I've been having my first meal of the day at 10:30, between 10:30 and 11:30. And because I love breakfast, I haven't been skipping the breakfast meal. I've just been making like a big brunch sometime around 10:30 or 11. And my kids are just eating a small breakfast before that. And then they eat what homeschoolers call second breakfast. So we just finished that, and now I'm gonna clean up. Gary and Sophie just walked out the door to go to therapy. Katie's working on her school, and I'm gonna try to straighten up the house.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
If you're new to our channel, I just wanted to say welcome. My name is Colleen and I'm a homeschooling mom to two girls. One of them is Katie, she is in high school, and the other one is Sophie, and she is a first grader. She has special needs. She has a rare genetic condition called SETD5, and on our channel you will find day in the life vlogs as well as cleaning and organizing and decluttering content, and also homeschooling content. So if that's the kind of content that you enjoy, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Now that I've got the majority of my dishes loaded, I'm going to use Barkeeper's Friend on my stainless steel pans. Let me know in the comments below, do you enjoy cooking on stainless steel? I am relatively new to cooking on stainless steel, but I really love them. I do like to use Barkeeper's Friend just to keep them shiny and new. I don't use it every time I clean them, but I have found it much easier to maintain them using Barkeeper's Friend.
Every night with you, you and me so clueless.
Okay friends, the truth is I'm a very messy omelet maker. This is the results of me cooking omelets this morning, and I always make a huge mess. I don't know why. I've been making omelets for years and I can't do it without making a mess, which results in me having to clean the whole stovetop every time I do it.
I really need to tell you something. It's a feel alone in a room, surrounded by people. I wanna know if you're feeling it too. Out on the roof, here with you, it all seems so distant. With you, under street lights, right next to the skyline. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we'll be young, we'll be young. 'C
So here I'm just showing you a wall anchor that I found on my counter. I was finding those everywhere from where we had renovated our pantry the weekend before. So now I need to clean up everything. I have a huge mess on my table. We've been doing several renovation projects. We started with the laundry room, then we moved to the pantry, and next is my closet. So everything's out of place, and now that the pantry's done, everything's put back in the pantry. I need to take everything that was relocated because of that. I need to put that up. So I still have some tools out and some coats and umbrellas, my purse and stuff like that, just things that used to be in the laundry room, in our cubbies where we had relocated some food while we were doing the pantry makeover. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put all the stuff up where it goes.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other.
I've relocated a lot of our tools and hardware that we use frequently to the area under the sink in the laundry room, just so that it's a little bit easier to get to instead of the garage.
You really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes.
So once I finished cleaning up, I was putting something in the refrigerator and I saw how messy it was, and I got distracted and decided that I was going to clean the refrigerator and organize it a little bit.
Like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go.
And yes, apparently we do have a bacon drawer. We're weird like that. We like to have our bacon.
Let go, 'cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind.
And now I'm in the homeschool room. I'm just cleaning up from where I had done school with Sophie earlier that day. She was at therapy during this time, and Katie had moved to another place in the house. She had cleaned up her stuff already. I'd also like to take this opportunity to introduce you to Donkey Horse. That's what Sophie calls the little horse that you just saw. She got it for Christmas and she loves it.
Tell me how to let go, 'cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
And now I'm finally getting to the task that I was honestly dreading. I think that's why I decided to organize my refrigerator, because I was really just putting off cleaning the floors. So now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum and then mop the floors.
'Cause every time I try you find a loophole, I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
Sophie has made our homeschool room Donkey Horse's barn, so we're trying to learn to live with that right now.
Know exactly where to push or pull. I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I'll run away, hit the road, and almost lane, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang. My head is spinning on my shoulder.
I hope this video is providing you some cleaning motivation. Let me know in the comments below, what's your least favorite cleaning task?
You're like a magnet pulling me in. I run away, hit the road, and almost gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh,
Friends, if we can pray for you, we'd love to do so. Let us know in the comments below if we can pray for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
love